Soft and fluffy idlis with all the goodness of vegetables. Let's make a quick and healthy breakfast, Instant Veg Idli. For the batter, I'm taking 1 cup of semolina or rava, 1 cup of curd, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Next, I'm adding half a cup of water in batches to bring the mixture into batter consistency. Let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will see the batter thicker than before as rava has absorbed the water. At this stage, I am adding around 4 tablespoons of water to bring it to the proper consistency for the idli. The consistency should always be easy drop, neither too thick nor the pouring consistency. Time to add the veggies. I am adding half red capsicum chopped, half green capsicum chopped, half yellow capsicum chopped, 6 French beans chopped, half a carrot chopped, 1 green chili chopped, and 2 tablespoons of chopped green coriander leaves. Let's bring everything together. Well, these are the veggies I like to add. You can skip or add the veggies as per your preference. At the end, I am adding 1 teaspoon of fruit salt and 1 tablespoon of water to activate the fruit salt. If you don't have fruit salt, you can use half a teaspoon of baking soda instead. The idli batter is ready to be steamed. I am greasing the idli plate with a little oil and transferring small portions of the batter to the steaming plate. Time to place the steaming plate in the steamer and close the lid. We will let the idli steam for 15 minutes on medium flame. The idlis are steamed. I will rest them for a minute and then unmold them. Until then, let's make a quick chutney. For the chutney, I am taking 1 cup of fresh coconut pieces, 1 green chili, 1 inch ginger pieces, 1 tablespoon of salt or as per taste, 2 tablespoons of curd, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water for grinding. Let's grind. The chutney is ground. For the tadka in the chutney, I am taking 1 teaspoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 curry leaves, and 1 broken red chili. The tadka is sizzling. Pour over the chutney. Chutney is done. Let's unmold the idlis now. Soft and fluffy steaming hot idlis are ready. Serve the idlis with sambar and coconut chutney for a wholesome meal. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.